The Supreme Court heard arguments today in a pair of cases involving transgender athletes challenging state laws that bans them from participating in girls' school sports.
The issue has become a flashpoint and could have far-reaching impacts, including right here in Florida. Christian Benavides reports from Miami.
15-year-old Becky Pepper Jackson of West Virginia is at the center of one of two cases before the Supreme Court involving transgender athletes.
A sport is something that everybody should have the opportunity to do if they want.
The other plaintiff, Lindsay Hecox, a college student in Idaho, which currently bans Hecox's participation in women's sports at Boise State University.
If Idaho can't enforce a sex-based line here in sports where nobody disputes that biological differences matter, then no line based on biological sex can survive constitutional scrutiny.
27 states have laws on the books barring transgender girls and women from participating on female-designated teams. Lower courts ruled in favor of the plaintiffs who claimed discrimination based on sex or status as transgender. Title IX is what has protected women's sports for decades.
Essentially on either side, the argument that this is sex discrimination, and it can't obviously be both.
That's part of the discussion for the High Court, which could take a narrower path in its ruling.
Given that half the states are allowing it, allowing transgender girls and women to participate, about half are not, why would we, at this point, just the role of this court, jump in and try to constitutionalize a rule for the whole country while there's still, as you say, uncertainty and debate?
Justice Alito referenced female athletes who have expressed concerns about fairness in competition. Some of them spoke out Monday.
We as women were excluded from participating, from competing, from calling ourselves champions.
A decision is not expected for several months. Christian Benavides, CBS News.